Okay, so for those of you that just aren't sure which way to orient the processor, if you look in that bottom left corner right there, you'll see a little triangle. Also on the outer print diagram, that white triangle, that indicates pin 1, right? That's pin 1, correlates to the pins on your processor. So if you look on the processor, I apologize for the blurriness, but that little gold triangle right there on the processor, that indicates pin 1 on the processor itself. So the pin on the underneath of that processor on that corner is pin 1. You will align that to the pin 1 indication there on the socket, and that's how you line it up. And of course you want to put the processor in as level as possible. You don't want to bend any pins or cause any damage. There are also these little notches that stick up here amongst where the pins go. There's 3 of them there and one little small one right there. So if you look on the processor, those correlate with those little raised edges as well. Okay? So you always want to line it up as evenly as possible and just lightly drop it into place. Make sure it's seated well, and then lower your locking arm.
Your servant died. Will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no, there is no turning back now. Woken up the demon in me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness.
Alright, so here is the final product. I got my 5 storage drives over here. 14 terabyte, my Radeon HD 7790, power supply HX850, this pig of a cooler, Hyper 212 Evo, 16 gig Corsair Vengeance, DDR3 1600. Cable management was really easy with this case. Plenty of space on the other side. It's kind of hard to see in there, but I got a little light here. See the cables. Nice and neat in here for the most part. That's good. I was able to make that fan work in the bottom of this case, but I had to flip the power supply. So instead of intaking from the bottom, it's going to be intaking air from the inside. But I've got sufficient cooling, so that should not be a problem at all. That was the only way I could get that fan to work, because of the plugs. And I was bound and determined to make it work. So, that's what I did. The fan's up here. I did one intaking and then one exhausting. So the reason I did that is because the CPU cooler is intaking here. The cool air will come down and exhausts here, out here, and then also in the top. So next step, load OS.